Ordered a custom Mac Studio online, no discounts, 3 weeks ETA, and then Apple delivers it a week early. Great, right? Except I hadn't even ordered a UPS yet. Here's how I set it up: the exact power requirements, a sneaky plug gotcha, and the first AI models I installed. Plus, real performance numbers. Hey, I'm Pranjal. I built AI agents and I needed a serious local box. This is the story of my Mac Studio purchase and setup, what went right, what I missed, and what I'd do differently. The only way to get this Mac was online. It needed a custom build. Since it's for business use, there were no discounts. When I placed the order, Apple showed a 3-week delivery. But thanks Apple, it arrived a week early, which sounds amazing, except I wasn't prepared. I hadn't ordered the UPS yet. When it arrived, I still powered it on, did the initial setup, and then shut it down within a couple of hours. I wasn't comfortable running it without the power backup because of potential outages. My UPS requirements were simple. Keep the system alive for 15 minutes. Our generator generally kicks in within 2 to 3 minutes. For the rare case when the generator fails, have an auto-shutdown support. Based on this, I used the AI quickly to shortlist the UPS and placed an order. It arrived in 2 days flat. Here's the gotcha that cost me an extra day. So the Mac Studio power cord works with 16 ampere outlets, but my UPS only had 6 ampere sockets. I had to order a 16 to 6 ampere adapter, 1 extra day of waiting. Once all the accessories were in place, I started the system again. The initial setup was a breeze. The first softwares I installed was OLLaMA and then 5 models. The 5 models comprised of GPT-OS 20B, GPT-OS 120B, Qwen 332B, Gemma 327B, and DeepSeek R170B. I measured the performance across all of these and they worked decently well for my workloads. Here's the performance numbers. Benchmarks are workload dependent, your numbers may vary. So the initial setup was done and working. Next, I needed to figure out how to expose OLLaMA setup so I could use these models from anywhere on my network and beyond. I'll cover my exact approach, options, trade-offs, and configs in the next video. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. Tell me in comments which model you want me to benchmark deeper. Or if you've solved 16 amp to 6 amp dance differently. I'll pin my exact UPS model and adapter in the description. Stay tuned for the next episode where I'll walk you through on how I set up OLLaMA and exposed it through network to the internet. Thanks so much for watching.